avocado oil. Let's do it. This is one of the more laborious projects that I've done, and I'm going to show you the process for proof of principle. Now we're going to get a lot of ripe avocados. Remember, they have to be ripe avocados, but not avocados that have gone bad. If they're gone bad, then they're going to spoil the whole process. We're going to mash the avocados as if we're making guacamole. And then we're going to spread this thin layers of paste over several trays, and we're going to allow them to dry out in an airy environment. So it has to be airy, and we need to flip them over every few hours. I used my dehydrator. You can also use the oven at low heat. You really need the lowest setting possible, and this is why with the dehydrator you can control it. It can go down to 35 degrees Celsius or 30 degrees Celsius. Now you're gonna flip them, and then eventually they're gonna turn like this, and then you are gonna see that the oil is floating at the top. We're gonna extract the oil. In a commercial setting, they use a hydraulic press. It's not possible to buy a commercial hydraulic press to use at home, or I even looked at normal hydraulic press. They don't really exist for home setting. So I ended up having to use this principle here, where I try to use a nut milk bag and squeeze as much oil as possible out of the paste. Then this paste is amazing. You should not throw it away. I usually put it in an ice cube trays and use it for beauty product, facial masks and hair masks and so on. And that is how extra virgin avocado oil is made. But remember, in the commercial setting, they would use a hydraulic press. I have a detailed guide on this on my blog. Again, alphafoodie.com if you're interested. There we have it, avocado oil.